Spring is here and summer is going to be around the corner as well. And you might be in the mood for a nice fruit salad. And joining me now with more on this is Molly Aden with Common Ground. Molly, you have a recipe to share.
I do. I have a nice recipe that my mother-in-law gave me that's special to us. My kids can even help make it. But yeah, it'd be perfect for your Mother's Day get together this weekend or any kind of holiday you might have. We do take it to potluck sometimes, or just any kind of fun branding day or any kind of field work is great. So we start out with pineapple tidbits, and we're gonna wanna crack open it and dump the juice out, but leave the fruit in there. And we're gonna do the same with our mandarin oranges. And then I have a box of instant lemon pudding. I'm gonna dump in and we're gonna whisk together. So I'm gonna incorporate the pudding in. And then once that's done, I'm gonna dump the pineapple, mandarin oranges, and then a cup of quartered strawberries in. And then I'm gonna put it in the fridge for about at least 2 hours. Sometimes I'll do this the night before, and that pudding really gets to set up in there a little bit, and it just kind of dresses your fruit and coats it. And then right before I get ready to serve it, I'm gonna dice up a cup of bananas, which is anywhere from 2 to 3. You know, if you feel like you want to add more fruit, you go ahead. There's plenty of coating in there. But yeah, so after you mix in your bananas and it's refrigerated for at least 2 hours, you're good to go. I'd say adding your bananas last, right before serving, is going to give you the best results, just because they might get a little bit mushy for you. It's just a great, refreshing fruit salad. And I'm really grateful to get this special recipe from my mother-in-law.
I would probably end up getting the cook and serve pudding, but it's important to make sure you get instant, right?
That's right. And this recipe won't turn out if you have the cook. So the instant lemon pudding works great.
Okay, good advice for me anyway. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, Molly, for being here today and sharing this recipe with us.
You're welcome. I hope your family has a great Mother's Day.